So, guys, today's video is for those who are interested to move to Europe, either Luxembourg or Brussels. Yeah, most of this program happens in Luxembourg, and some other aspect of it happens in Brussels, which is in Denmark. Well, I'm going to be taking you through how you can move to Luxembourg and earn a whooping 1,700 euro every month. This program is going to be fully sponsored, and you have the opportunity to work in European Union Commission. They want people who come from diverse community to effect their policy and help them to run their commission more appropriately. So, guys, I'm going to take you through the website where you're gonna see how to apply and what this program is all about, and you get all the information you require and kickstart. Okay, so far so good. I've been going through it. I've not seen any age limitation, so I think that may not be a challenge. So this is the home page for European Union Commission, and this is the homepage for European Commission, and it contains information that will help you to apply for this program. This program is takes place 2 sections a year, and it accommodates about plus or minus 1,000 trainership position available per section. And the grant which is being given to each person participating is 1,376.89 euro, not really 1,700. Yeah, so about this program, the European Commission proposed two types of traineeship: an administrative traineeship or a translation traineeship. Okay, and this is with the Director General of Translation. That's why you're gonna do this traineeship. The traineeship program is open to all eligible candidates, whatever their citizenship, regardless of their sex, race, color, ethnic or social origin, region or belief, membership of a national minority, disability, age, or sexual orientation. They are all eligible for this program. Okay, so it's either in Brussels or in Luxembourg, and elsewhere also across European Union. So those are the areas where you can do this. And subsequent career opportunity may vary between these different entities. The nature of your work will depend on the service you are assigned to. You may, for example, work in the field of competition law, human resource, environmental policy, translation, etc. So there are various diverse opportunity which are available in this program. Now the question, what does a traineeship daily work consist of? Number one, attending and organizing meetings, working groups, and public hearings, researching, drafting and editing documentations, including report and consultations, answering citizens' inquiries, supporting the management of projects, translating, revising translation, or researching terminology. Now, what do we expect from you? You need to come open-minded, approach to European issues, an interest in learning about the Commission's work method, willingness to work in a multicultural environment, to contribute to the Commission daily work from a fresh perspective, a proactive attitude. So those are all you need to know about the program. Remember, like I said, they take up to 1,000 persons per section, and there are 2 sections in a year. So the duration is 5 months, and a grant of 1,376.89 euro applies to every individual who goes through this. So the question is, who can apply? I mean, what makes you eligible? So I'm going to take you through eligibility. The traineeship program is open to university graduates who have completed a standard 3 years higher education degree, and you will have to provide the following documents: diplomas or certificate with final grades clearly indicated, and proof of minimum EQF 6 level language, either in English or even in French. Okay, and you need to have no prior work experience of any kind in excess of 6 weeks in the EU institution, body, or agency. You also need to have a very good knowledge of language, and for the language, you need to have, within in German at C1 or C2, and in French at C1 or C2, and also in English. or in English. So any of them would be fine for you for language. Okay, these are things you need to have. You could also get an extra point for work experience for international profile who demonstrated through education, work or volunteering experience abroad, and aptitude to work in an international environment, a rare field of study. So this can give you an extra point to be selected. So then coming back to this program, the major thing is the application procedure. So you can hit up the process overview and click on application. You will need to create an account for you to be able to apply for this. Okay, so once you've come to the application, so you come to the EU login and you click here to create an account and you fill out all the information you need. You click submit and you check your email account. Okay, for confirmation. In the email, follow the link, create your password, choose your password and submit, and you proceed. Okay, then once you've done that, they will also contact you once they've reviewed your application. So this is just what the application procedure looks like. It's a straightforward application. So the beauty of this is that if you move to Luxembourg or to Brussels to do this program for 5 months, you are going to get the opportunity to find a job, to stay back in Luxembourg or even in Denmark to keep work on your own independently. This gives you the opportunity to network with people from various walks of life and give you also the great opportunity to move to these beautiful countries without spending any money of your own, because this will be taken care of. They will be taking care of everything, including relocation assistance and everything you need to do. So you give it a shot. I will drop the informations like to the website, the link on the description section of the video. So guys, this is the step-by-step process on how you can go through this application. I hope this helps you and I wish you the best of luck. Cheers.